I feel like I have a new set of lungs because I am able to breathe easier. And it seems so simple, but it really does make a huge difference in how well I am breathing. I'm going to take it out here and show you what it looks like and a few of the really key things about the parts of this device. As you can see, it's actually really pretty. I like that it's aesthetically pleasing. It has you have your mouthpiece here with the mouthpiece cap. And the one thing I really do love is that it has this child resistant cover. It's polycarbonate plastic. And as you can see, it locks in there so that it is childproof. Inside of it, you've got this ball bearing stainless steel. If I can, now I've locked myself out. All right, so you've got this inside, and then that just places itself right in there. And you lock that cap on, and there you go. So I'm gonna show you how this works. It's very simple, really. This is the cap. I'm just gonna remove that. I take a big inhale and I hold it, and then I blow out through the AirPhysio. So and it's as simple as that. And you do that several times, and your lungs are going to get stronger as you go. But it's really, really simple.
So what was that? What was Jet like before when you first started?
When Jet first started the AirPhysio, Jet was coming home wheezy. He was unable to complete any sporting activities, such as athletic carnivals. He was in the local football team, so we would frequently be getting put offside because of asthma attacks. Surfing was cut short because of asthma. If the surf was big or it was cold or windy, that was affecting his asthma. Pretty much we were having asthma attacks every week and every day in some form.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was he taking beforehand, or what was
so when he started taking things for asthma, he was taking a tablet daily. He had preventatives and just daily asthma reliefs.
Okay. And one of the things, what's he like with his sport now?
Jet's now sponsored with surfing. He's skating. He skates every day. So we're up to maybe 3-hour surfs every day. We're participating in all athletics carnival. We've gone to district and zone with a lot of things. So we're making it through in high school. Obviously the distances are a lot greater than in primary school. And generally we're out being active until dark.
Hello, my name's Matt. I'm here to make a testimonial today on the AirPhysio device. Been using the AirPhysio device for approximately 6 to 8 months now, as well as my wife and 5 kids. We all suffer from asthma. We're the Asthma Family of Australia.
So why did you start using the AirPhysio?
I was recommended to me by a nice gentleman that I met, and he had resounding results with it, and I thought, well, you know, it's going to be worth a go. If it gives you relief without putting all these nasties into your body and doing the job it's supposed to, I said, well, why not? We'll give it a go.
What has it done for you, and how's it made you feel?
Actually, after using this device for 5 minutes, when you have a cold, a flu, where you've got a bad cough, a lot of phlegm and all that sort of stuff, it actually, within half an hour to an hour, it actually makes you relieve yourself from that mucus.
What are you able to do now that you weren't able to before?
I run around a lot more with the kids. You know, when you've got 5 kids ranging from 17 to 6, they like to run around a lot, especially when they're active in sport. And it allows me to do a lot more things with the kids without relying on using the Ventilin puffer when I've had to.
Would you recommend AirPhysio to anyone else?
Of course, you know, without a doubt. It's helped my family. It's helped me.